Okay, in this short video, I want to just talk about the different types of content that we can put into a cell that's in a Google Sheet. So I've got our gradebook example here, and I've populated it with the different types of data that can go in these cells. So the first one would be text. We can create labels in our spreadsheets using text. And when I click on this, you can see up in the formula bar, you can see the text. So if I need to change this, I could just go in the formula bar and type it there. It would make the change there. And if I needed to make the change down here, I could just type it in the cell itself. Either way, it'll change it. The other thing that we can have is data. We can have numbers, and that's the real power of a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, is that you can populate it with data and use it to manipulate the data and to display the data and make it meaningful. So you can see we've got numbers. And then the last thing that we can put into a cell in a sheet is a formula. So you can see the formula starts off with a equal sign. All the formulas begin with an equal sign, and then there's the function. In this case, it's the sum function. So we're adding the content that's between cells D4 and F4. And you can see that once we click in the cell that has a function, it outlines the cell range that it's using in that function. And so you can see those are the three things that we can put into cells in a Google Sheet. We can put in text, we can put in numbers, data, and we can also put in formulas so that we can crunch those numbers and make them into meaningful information that we can share and track. Okay, this was a short video on the data that we can put into the cells. In our coming videos, we're going to look at how to take this data and then how to format it and some of the formatting options that we have available in Google Sheets. Okay, in this video, we looked at the types of data that can be added to Google Sheets, and those three items are text, numbers, and formulas. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.